Today I'm going to make shrimp alfredo with spinach, a Hungrywood recipe. Hungrywood is a healthy grocery delivery service. I'm only using 4 of their ingredients to make this. This is so easy to make. So I'm going to start with adding the pasta in the boiling water. And I'm going to season the shrimp exactly the way they told me to. I'm not going to add any twist or anything like that. Just salt and pepper. Okay? If you want more information about the company Hungrywood, the information will be in the description on the video. Now I don't let my shrimp get overcooked. I take them out and I add my fresh spinach to the same pan, as you can notice. I drain my pasta and then I take the spinach out, okay? And then as you could see, I'm adding my Alfredo sauce. And that's everything they sent me, guys. 4 ingredients. This is very easy. I just add salt and pepper, okay? And add my spinach, okay? And I'm gonna add my shrimp. And then that's it. It was delicious. My husband loved it. Everybody ate it. It's healthy. It's easy. It takes a very short time to make.